All right, in this video, what we're going to go over is we're going to go over the Facebook ads. Okay, so this is a very underutilized part of the Facebook, I guess, ecosphere that I just don't see a lot of people using. You know, I just don't understand it, but they don't use it a lot. And where it is it's right here underneath ads reporting. And so for you guys, I want you all to set up this specific ad report, okay? Very specific, I'm going to refer to, okay? And this tool here will help you fill out your advertising KPIs, okay? Your ad spend, your impression, CPMs, all that different stuff, and we'll go through it together. And by learning how to quickly set up a saved report, what this is going to allow you to do is, number one, is you're going to want this report sent to you every day. So I get mine sent every single day, okay? Every single day, I make sure that I know my numbers, okay? So I want to make sure that, you know, all of you understand this, and you'll see it in my thing here. I get sent every single day my Facebook ads, so bear with me. I have a lot of crap going on here, but you'll see my daily Facebook ads report. Okay, my daily Facebook ads report. Okay, my daily Facebook ads report. Okay, so if you want to see mine, this is how tight of a ship that I run, okay? Like, no joke. Like, I have all my data going back from March, April, May, June, July, August, going through so that I watch my numbers, okay? And if you think for 1 second that I'm actually doing this, well, you're missing the whole point of this program. Okay? What I have done, which we will not be doing at this moment with you guys in the program, what I have done is when this comes in, this report, I set up a forward in my Gmail. My Gmail. This automatically gets forwarded to one of my VAs. And that VA is filling out that form for me. So I can come in at any moment and see where I stand, what I'm doing, all of the different stuff. Okay? So let's talk about this in context or in practice. So for all of you, the goal here, you know, is, you know, during this time, you know, 8 clients. But the real goal here is going to be probably more like 15 to 20. Even once you get 3 or 4 clients, this whole process is going to make it easier for you to manage everything. Okay? So let's continue through and go ahead and set up this report. Okay? And you know, Facebook is starting to really get more user-friendly. As you can see over here, that, you know, they have these suggested template reports, and I really suggest you go do it. Like, these suggestions, you're going to be able to go in here and start to see things. Also, this is where the bell went off for me like a long time ago about how, well, I got it going off with Google ads. It wasn't Facebook. But most people, probably most of you here, don't even realize this, that you can download pre-built reports, like professional fucking reports, and you inject them right into your Google Ads campaign, and it makes this beautiful report. And then you send it to your client, and the client goes, "Ooh, you must be so smart." You know, like, look at the work that you're doing for me. Oh my God. Nah, dude. I download it within like 30 seconds. I plugged it into your account and I hit fire send. You know, that's how you got it. I don't tell them that. I say, yes. Oh my God. You understand? Like, it's understand about kind of a little bit more marketing too. So here's these other reports that you can feel free to play around with in your own time. But what I want you to do is, everybody here, is I want you to go create this in your ads account immediately, even if I'm not advertising for you at the moment. Okay? So this little Facebook ad report, it's simply create report, right? So we're gonna create report because I have multiple ad accounts. Okay, so this is just gonna be for the AAA demo. Okay, AA demo, and I'm gonna use the Webly AI. Okay. You know, this gets into be a little bit much later on, and you can play around with this stuff a little bit later. Okay, but we're just gonna keep it very basic. And all we want to do is produce a report that makes it a no-brainer for a VA to go into your account and simply copy and paste data for you. Okay? That's all you want. So all you need to do is line it up according to this. So let me move this over for a second, and we'll go ad spend impressions, right? So we've got impressions, amount spent. Come on, guy. I'm dragging if everybody can't see what I'm doing. If everybody can't see what I'm doing, I'm dragging. Amount spent. Okay, just gonna move these guys. We've got amount spent, impressions. We don't use this. This is the, I shouldn't say we don't use it as it's, you should probably start using it. This is, I guess they call it relativity score. Is your ads relating to the people? So for our intents and purposes, we're going to skip it, but leave it in there because it is important later, but I'm not currently tracking it. CPM. All right. So CPM. So now all you've got to do is we're going to come over here and pick what we need. So we can come under here under metrics, and you can start to scroll down here and be like, okay, I want to add CPM. So I added it, but it went right to the back, right? So it's right here. So I can drag it over. You know, those of you who are probably like, hey, Aaron, just delete. Yeah, I can do that too if I want to. But just letting you guys know, okay? So just dragging things over. Come on, guy. There we go. So I'm putting them in order. The reason I'm doing this is because I ultimately want my VA handling it. Okay. You know, at the time of this recording, I'm just telling you, I've started to train our VA team to do this. So at the time of this recording, they are not prepared just yet, but this is something that they will be prepared on, that you can say, hey, here's access to my ad account, go to it. Okay? Politely, you get what I'm saying. I get a little more emphasis because I want to be cool, right? Yeah, because I'm so mean. Yeah, I'm so rough and tough. No, but you get it, okay? So there's our cost thing. I'm just going to remove this just for a moment, just to speed this up a little bit here. So see how you can like remove columns. It doesn't even matter. Remove columns if you want to remove columns, all this different stuff. You know, just giving you guys a heads up, okay? So just so that we can move through the thing a little bit faster. So I'm going back here now. CPM, and I'm going to do two at a time if I can go a little faster. So we have clicks and CTR. So clicks and CTR. So over here, CTR and our clicks. Give me 1 second here, guys. CPM, boom, boom, boom. Okay. All right, so we've added both of those things now. We can just drag over. So we have our CTR. Again, all I'm doing is just following this model because this is what the VA is going to do. So clicks, CTR, I'm going to put clicks in front of it. There we go. So CPM, link clicks, CTR. CPM, clicks, link, CTR, CPC, and then leads. So again, you're just scrolling through this list over here. This is where all of these metrics are. My CPC, there it is. Okay, so there's my CPC. And I needed my leads. Okay. Inside of here, see, if you guys see what I have here, appointments scheduled, stuff like this, you're seeing a couple of unique things. So inside of here, whatever your conversion thing is, it could be a lead, if you set it up that way, like from a lead ad, a lead, or it could end up being one of these conversions. So for me, I have a custom conversion on mine. And let me just scroll through here. Leads. There we go. Boom. All right. So I'm just scrolling over again. So leads. All right. I think that we all get the point here on where this goes through. You know, leads, you know, cost per lead, which is right here, CPL. And we would add that last one, just going through, you know, cost per lead right here, add that last one and pull it in there. Okay. So now you've got your basic form for your VA. Where'd that go? Cost per lead. There it is. Cost per lead. Okay. The other ones here, I would take these things off so that you don't confuse them. If you want to leave these things on, I would move them to this way. When the VA's in your account, they can literally just go in here and just fill in these metrics for you. So they'll fill in the metrics, and then this thing will automatically calculate for you. Okay, it's just a little formula, and you know how many, you know. Okay, so we've got, you know, let's just say we did $20 in ad spend. We've got four leads. Oh, I deleted out my formulas here. I'll have to put these back because looks like I screwed my I screwed this up here. But let me just add that in there for a minute. 5 booked calls, and we've got 2. All right. So I'll add those formulas back in there for you from my own data sheet. I was trying to clear out my data, but you know, now this gets you going along here that, okay, you spent $20, you got 4 leads, you know, the cost per lead was 5. And again, you're just getting it from here, right? So, you know, you're going to be over here. The cost per lead over this one was a little bit higher, you know, 6, and you're adding that stuff in here, and then, you know, it'll all pan out like mine. So like this, just straight across. And then the next little thing in here is that I put call center. So for example, it's a good thing for you guys all to track the very high metric of how well are your ads doing by themselves. Okay. You'll see in the recorded videos that I show you how to set up the lead ad with the high level calendar. I got like a little sneaky ninja trick, how you can get them to go book on the high level calendar, and they think it's Facebook. And so you do want to actually see that. Okay, that is going to be something that's going to be important for you. And the idea too with your call center, you know, after this program, you know, you'll hook up with, you know, my previous call center, the company that I've been with for over a year. You know, just that we got so big, I decided to pull it in internal. But you want to see your ROI. You know, make sure that, you know, hey, wow, even though I'm spending, you know, $20 a day, and we got 10 leads and nobody booked, like right off the bat, but your call center went and booked them for you. So just keep that in mind. It is a good metric to keep in mind. Okay, it is a good metric to know about these two that you'll be filling in. And this is stuff that you'll be doing, or, you know, ultimately you can have your VA do it. You know, your level right now, don't try to get too complicated, but you know, just take it slow and easy, but as fast as you want to proceed. You know, if you feel comfortable, just what I don't want you doing or getting into the habit of, and this is where I see everybody on Facebook that has this idea of getting a VA. I've watched them, and what do? They go, okay, yeah, just go do it. I don't care if the VA has training in Facebook ads. Like, you literally need to make an SOP for them and show them this is what I want you to do. All right. So just be careful. That is a bump that could come up for you guys. And I don't want you to get into that habit. Okay. All right. So long story short, we have our report that's now, you know, we can save, and we can, you know, refer to this thing. So we'll just go back over here, reporting, and there's our little ad report. So